itong pag nang gawin ko ito, parang, I'll just be frank with you, naiyak talaga ako. At the same time, pag natatapos ko yung illustration, parang I felt relieved. So parang therapeutic in effect. Every time na maaalala ko yun, I can't help but put that into gawin sketch yun. Kasi kung if you have to compare myself with writers, yung mga writers, yung pagre-record nila written yun. Yung sa akin, being a visual artist, I have to do that in illustrations. So, you will notice nga yung mga strokes, kasi quick sketching na ito. Hindi pwedeng gagandahan kong lines nito kasi baka hindi pwede. Basta, kasi na nandun yung pictures, kasi hindi pa nga I can't even put a single line on paper. Parang kompleto na yung image dito. So, ang nangyayari, parang tinatransfer mo na lang. So, kaya, mabilisan yung pagkana while it's still there. Nakikita mo doon. In paintings, artwork, you're not just buying the artwork. You're not just buying the artwork. You're also buying a part of the artist. So, yes, because yung ginagawa namin is really from inside us.